Hi, this is Chandrima and welcome to this channel. In our previous class, we already discussed about subject and predicate, and today's class is the continuation of that class. Next, we come to the point position of the subject in a sentence. The subject of a sentence usually comes first, but in some cases it may come at the end of the sentence. For example, here comes the bus. Here in the sentence, who comes? The bus comes. So the subject is bus and it is placed at the end of the sentence. In an interrogative sentence, the subject is placed after the verb or after WH word and verb. For example, do you know him? Here in this sentence, you is the subject and it is placed after the verb do. In the next sentence, where do you live? In this sentence, you is the subject and it is placed after where, the WH word and the verb do. In an imperative sentence, the subject is left out but it is understood. For example, sit down, open the door, write a letter, etc. In an optative and exclamatory sentence, subject is placed later in the sentence. For example, may you live long. It is an optative sentence and here you is the subject and it is placed after may. Again in the sentence, alas, the man is dead. Here the man is the subject. It is an exclamatory sentence. Here the man is the subject and it is placed after the word alas. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates.